Now, Jamaica's under-20 footballers took a massive step towards qualification to next year's FIFA Under-20 World Cup after securing their place in the CONCACAF Age Group Championship set for this summer.
After qualifying the national under-17 team to this year's World Cup, Jamaica are on the verge of progressing another team to a FIFA Youth World Cup, following the exploits of the under-20 team in Curacao. A Jabari Howell goal saw the under-20 Reggae boys book their spot to the 12-team CONCACAF U20 Championship, following a 1-0 win against Puerto Rico in a top-of-the-table Group B clash on Tuesday night. Howell's 32nd minute free kick ensured Jamaica completed the qualifiers unbeaten, winning all 5 games, scoring 28 goals while conceding none. The clinical performance from the team has caught the attention of veteran coach Vassel Reynolds. According to Reynolds, who is the assistant coach for the under-17 team that has qualified for their Age Group World Cup, the performances were good to see.
It's a tremendous feat, and this latest achievement to go along with the recent qualification of the U17 males team to the World Cup is a great achievement, and it puts the football in the country now in a good place. And I'm certain that the work that is to be done to get the team ready for the next stage of the qualification will be attended to carefully. And it also shows that the future of the football in the country, it looks good.
Vassel says the highlight of this under-20 team is the chemistry between the players. He, however, was quick to point out the importance of helping players to transition through the various age groups.
I mean, when a group of players play together, there's this chemistry, this understanding, there's this learning together. And we would have seen this. A number of the players who represented the under-17 recently, and some of those who represented under-20 in the qualifying just now, would have been going together and learning the game together from the under-14 stage. Large percentage of them would have made the transition through to the under-17 up to the under-20 now. And it's very crucial that going forward we keep this group of players together as much as is possible, and hopefully they can make the transition right up to the senior level.
The 12-team CONCACAF Under-20 Championship will run from July 25 to August 9. The tournament will comprise of 3 groups of 4 teams, with the top 2 from each advancing to the knockout phase, along with the 2 best third-place teams. From there, the top 4 teams will qualify for the 2027 Under-20 World Cup. The winner will qualify for the 2028 Olympic Games in Los Angeles, California, while the highest finishing Caribbean nation will qualify for the 2027 Pan American Games in Lima, Peru.